Hello class, today's topic is plant location. Now what is plant location? A good plant location, the selection of good plant location has some factors that has to be taken in consideration. And what are those factors? Factors that affect the product that is delivered to the customers and the cost of product to be manufactured, and it is afforded by the enterprise. So the location problem that Holmes defines, that solving the location problem is determining the such location or that location in which consideration of all factors which affect the product that is delivered to the customer, the cost of product to be manufactured, and will it is affordable to the enterprise. It is the greatest advantage obtained by the virtue of location. It is not he, this is the greatest advantage obtained by virtue of location. So you can see that how much the location is important. It affects the cost of the product. The selection of location affects the cost of the product. So it is a very important factor for food plant design. Now the plant layout. Why plant location and plant layout? Because they are important side by side, because we need the location that fits in with the optimum arrangement of facilities, including personnel, operating equipment, storage space, material handling equipment, and all other supporting services, along with the design of best structure to contain all these facilities. So we have to select the location which can have the optimum arrangement of facility. So it is very important to have that location which can be designed a physical arrangement that meet the required output quality and quantity most economically. So with the quality, the most important factor, with the maintenance of the quality, the most important factor is the most economic arrangement of layout in the plant location. Now site selection. The location selection or the site selection is an important activity, as it decides the fate of the business, because it consumes most of the capital. A good location will reduce the cost of production and distribution to a large extent. The reduction of cost of distribution helps in elevating other competitive strength or the profit margin of the business. So the location is the key. Locating of business involves large and relatively permanent investment, because it's a almost one time investment. In 99.9% cases it is the one time investment, and if it is wrong or it has more distribution cost, more transportation cost, or other than that, then it's a sheer loss. If the site selection is not done properly, all the money spent on factory building, machinery and their installation will go in waste, and the owner has to suffer great loss only because of the location, although he has invested ample amount of money in building machinery and installation, commissioning and producing the product. Therefore, the site of the factory or the location of the factory should be selected very carefully. While selecting a site, it is necessary to consider technical, commercial and financial aspect, and then select a site that may provide maximum profit. So now the layout, because we are talking about the location and layout simultaneously, because they are together for the selection of the location, because we need the location, the area that is best for the layout. So the selection of location is important, as well as the selection of location should be central, should have the central point of plant layout that has to be decided. Now, the need for location, because of this situation, while starting a new factory or during expansion of existing plant, or existing plant is to be relocated at some other place. So now, steps in choosing the location. So there are 4 steps. The last one is the site location. First is the national decision. On the national arena, first we have to see that if our location has political, social, economic stability, currency exchange rates, etc. We have to see that if our location or region has the political, means that state has political, social, economic stability, because these things affect business majorly. Then regional decision, climate, customer concentrations, degree of unionization. So regionally, what is the climate, what customer wants, what are the customer preferences, and what is the labor unionization, whether skilled or non-skilled. So these are the very important factors for the decision of the plant location. Now, community decision, like transportation system facility, preference of management. So for that community in which site is located, transportation system availability, how much is good, the roads, the fuel availability, the electricity, the truck systems and all. Then site decision is dependent on the site size. Obviously the area matters, that's why we plan layout before, because we need the size is very important in the area, or the size is very important in the factory location decision. Then the cost, of course, at what cost, what size of the area we can afford. Then environmental impact, zoning restrictions, what are the government policies in that particular location. It is very important. Now, what are the factors of plant location? Now, for the selection of region, what are the factors. We have seen the national decision is mainly dependent on the political, social and economic stability and currency exchange rate in terms of if it is a international business. Now, the selection of region, availability of raw material, because the source of raw material is one of the most important factor influencing the selection of a plant site. This is particularly true for the food plants because food is a perishable commodity and we need the availability not to be restricted. If availability is restricted, our perishable item, the quality of our product can be altered. So the availability of raw material is specifically very important in the case of food plant design. Now the nearness to the market, because if the market is near, then distribution and transportation cost will be low. So it is very important to have market near, but not at the cost of availability of raw material. So first is the availability of raw material is important. Nearness of market can be compromised, but not the availability of raw material in the case of food plant design. Then availability of power is very important. As we know, we have the food plant has perishable items, so refrigeration, storage facility, intermediate product processing facility, everywhere temperature is most important factor for the extension of shelf life. So availability of power is important. Then transportation facility is important as we are dealing in perishable item. Then suitability of climate. Why suitability of climate? If we don't need a very dry climate or very humid climate in accordance with our product, then it will affect the quality, and for the maintenance of quality we have to invest extra for power, refrigeration or intermediate product storage, anything. So suitability of climate is important. Then government policy, what are the rebates, in which area government is giving rebates, or taxes, in additional taxes, what are the additional taxes. So what are the subsidy, what is the government policy, is it against or it is pro of our product or site selection. So it is very important. Then competition between states is important. In some states, for some businesses there are more subsidies, in some states for some businesses there are less subsidies. So we have to take in consideration all of the factors. Then selection of community or local factors like availability of labor, it is very important because area wise the availability as well as cost of the labor changes. So availability and cost of the labor is very important. Then civic amenities for workers, if there are schools, there are hospitals, post office, there are restaurants, dhabas for available for their recreational activities, market. So it is available, then it is very convenient to have laborers or workers. If civic amenities are less, then it is very hard to that labor stays. So for the worker availability, whether skilled or non-skilled, civic amenities are important. Then existence of complementary and competing industries. If complementary or competing industries are there, so the availability of raw material and other things, services will be there. And because there are other businesses running also, so other services will be available. So it's a positive point. Then finance and research facilities, whether the labs are there, whether research facilities are there, whether banks are there for giving loans. So these factors are important. Then availability of water and firefighting facilities, availability of water and potable water, the quality of water, both are important in case of food plant design, because food plants are water dependent factories. So not the availability, also the quality of water is very important, because water treatment plants will take capital. So what kind of water treatment plant, the normal one or the vigorous one, because it is dependent on the input of water, the input quality of the water. Then firefighting facility is important for every factory. Then local taxes, and what are the local taxes and restriction, because especially if the location is in special economic zone, there will be less taxes. But so the commercial power supply will be there. So these are the important factors for consideration of site selection. Then momentum of early start, whether starting facility is given by the local administration. Okay, if I am starting a new factory, a new thing in that area, whether the local administration will support that in case of early start. So these are the factors, because every new business is appreciated by the local community if it is in favor of local administration. So then personal factors, obviously the whether the area is has that acquaintance you want to have or you want to live in there. So personal factors are always there for the selection of site location. Then disposal of waste is very important, because the sewage treatments, the sewage facility is very important, which is given by the administration. So what is the facility that will be given by the local administration in the case of disposal of waste, that is very important factor in the selection of plant location. So now the factors for particular site, conditions that demand the urban location, suburban location, or the rural location. All the three types of locations have different demands. Like for the urban location, better transportation, large labor supply, big local market, easy finance, better gray latitude, because there are many businesses running. So urban location has every location has their own pros and cons. So urban location has some benefits in this condition. In rural site, if we are selecting rural site, then more material, then cheaper land will be there, lower taxes will be there. So few ordinances, few legal things, few legal formalities will be there. Then labor stability, because rural area have more labor and they have their, well, if labor is at their own home, then labor stability will be there. In urban location, big large labor supply will be there, but not the labor stability. If labor has other opportunities, they will move. And in the suburban site selection, the planned industrial, generally suburban area is the special economic zone of every community. So planned industrial area will be there, the larger area will be there in suburban area. So these are the benefits of each urban, rural or suburban. Depending on the one's need, one can decide. But for plant site selection, there are some theoretical as qualitative as well as quantitative models. So first, the study of factors according to the need of plant, of the product, particularly the product. So each and every, for selection of the plant location, the study of each factor in detail is very necessary. After studying all the factors in the detail, and by making the report for each and every factor, whether it is the availability of raw material or market, so detailed report on each factor, and after that putting the all detailed report, find outs or datas in the models, then only plant location selection can be done. So I think factors are clear, and we will continue the selection of plant location in other lecture also.